Next is gonna be visa option. How many days? Let's say I select 30 days. Purpose. I select tourism here. Address. So if you have booked hotel and all, definitely you should have it. Contact number is optional. You can put hotel number, or if you have any other number that you can see it. Now here comes the submission. Okay. And once you submit, it takes you to the further steps. Okay. Even the cost you see. It's better to pay in advance, like once you go there and then paying instead to do it before. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an ETA, that means Electronic Travel Authorization, to travel to Nepal. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Nepali Port Department of Immigration website. Here, select your language, select your country of your passport, whatever it is. Type of visa, tourist visa here I have selected. Put your passport number and do it as per your own case. Don't see what I'm doing. Date of birth, again your date of birth. And click on proceed. Okay. Now personal info, full name, do it as per your own case. Gender, occupation. Let me see if I can select address in Canada. Do it as per your own case. Contact number, email, application form. Yeah, whatever your email is, put it over there. Upload passport validity, and then go to proceed. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys.